Today I am here to show you how to transform a pixie cut into long, beautiful hair with the method of Brazilian knots. Some people are gonna think that this is impossible, so stay tuned for this jaw-dropping transformation. Make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you like, and if you have any questions, let me know. For this installation, the only thing that we are gonna need is hair, thread, the plastic measuring plate. I know in my other video I say metal, it's actually acrylic. A comb, some clips, and yeah, just keep watching. So here we are potting the hair. We're leaving the perimeters out, so we make sure that the knots are covered. I think this is enough, and we're gonna use hairspray so we can keep the fly away. We're leaving this out so she can have enough to cover her knots. She will be able to do a ponytail, not a high ponytail, but she will be able to do a low ponytail. If you are on the journey of regrowing your hair, I think this is what she's doing. This is a really cool way to do it while your hair grows. But be aware, you may be addicted. Here you can see how we actually potted the hair. We are going to proceed to do the installation, and all the hair that you see out, that's exactly where we are going to do the Brazilian knots. We wanted to leave the perimeters out so she is able to do a low ponytail because her hair is so short. Normally if your hair is a little longer, you are able to do a high ponytail, but she will be able to wear her hair out with a part in the middle. That's why we left the top. So yeah, keep watching. So we're gonna proceed to install. As you can see how short her hair is, and we're gonna add about the same amount of hair so we don't weigh down her own hair. So there is no tension because we can control the tension, we can control the amount of hair that we install. And here we go. This service lasts about 3 to 4 months, and it costs about $1,400, close to $1,500. If you want to learn this technique, we teach it. We're gonna leave you the link below, or if you want it for yourself, just make an appointment and we can do a consultation. The only thing that we need is thread and hair, and I'm gonna show you. I put my thread between my fingers and I just wrap it around. Depending how you wrap it and depending where, you can do tension or no tension. A lot of people don't know how to install this, and the client's head actually hurts a lot because they don't know what they are doing. So you have to make sure that you get this installed as a professional, and if you are a professional, you got to make sure that you get trained to do this. The only thing that we need to do to remove the Brazilian knots is cut the thread, and the thread will unravel. We're gonna cut the knot. Actually, I'm gonna show you one. So we can cut here. There is no tension, see? No movement, it's not tight. So don't let people tell you something else. And here you can just cut the knot and the thread unravel. Pretty easy. And then we remove, and that's it. So for the people that tell you this is not healthy, or I don't know what to tell you because it's no glue, people are loving the K-tips, which to me is insane. They look beautiful, but when you have to remove them, if you pay attention, they have to use a alcohol-based liquid, and then they use pliers to cut that keratin through, and your hair do come out. You just cannot see it, but hair come out. And I can tell you from personal experience because I used to have the K-tips before. I had them once before and never again. I know how to install them, and if my client insists and they want it, I will do it, but normally people here get the Brazilian knots. So all of that excess hair that you see on the top, I'm getting ready to remove as soon as I finish this last Brazilian knot. This is good for any type of hair because we can control the amount of hair that we use. So, and we'll match your hair. As you can see, we'll match hers. We'll match your natural hair texture. Sometimes we do curly hair. We do super straight hair. This is good for all of my ladies, you know? And we're being careful so the rest of the hair doesn't. And we have 3 rows so far. And again, it moves really easy. They're not tight, so she can do a ponytail. Her scalp will be out, so she can do her treatments, her oils. She can do anything with this hair. Blow dry, wash it, hair treatments. Or if it's scalp itchy, you can scratch it, you know? You don't have a whole wig. Make sure that we protect her hair. And now we are flat iron the hair. There you have it. What an amazing transformation. We transform a pixie cut into a long, beautiful hair. That client paid about $1,400 for this hairstyle. It only took a few hours. She's very happy with the service. So if you want to learn this technique, I will leave the link below so you can sign up for the classes. We have a online class which is more affordable. It's $197. It's only for a limited time. That class will come out on January 2025. So make sure that you sign up, because after a certain amount of people, it's going to go back to $495. And I will also leave you the link below, and you can make an appointment so you can have the service yourself. Make sure that you follow us on all social media. It's Simple Salon 809 across the board. So subscribe, make sure that you like, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. What are you here for? Do you have any questions? And I'll be happy to answer them. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking your time to watch me. Love you, have a good day.